to the X Factor. It's our semi-final. And you can be a part of this by downloading the X Factor.
Because with it, you can be the fifth judge and rate the performances as they happen.
And you can also vote via the app with free voting sponsored by TalkTalk TV.
Okay, Rita, it's over to you and your second girl.
So up next, she definitely has the power to love, but she has the power of the voice too. Make some noise for Louisa Johnson.
Just on my way to go meet Lionel Richie for our vocal session.
All right.
Such a big artist in the industry, so I can't wait. The first song that I'm going to sing to get me into the final is Power of Love.
Looking forward to it.
The power of love.
Louisa, her voice